Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, are you facing WhatsApp shared location not syncing with live Google Maps 2026? So here is the fix. Let's go step by step. If the location permission is not allowed, so you will get this process. You will get this problem while booking the ride. So you have to tap on allow only while using the app. So आप लोग इस वीडियो में एंड तक बने रहिए ताकि मैं आपको ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप आपको प्रॉपरली बता सकूं एंड मीनवाइल आप मेरे वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए. सो लेट्स गो टू द प्रोसेस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will go to phone settings. Let's go through it. Now find apps. Let's tap on it. Tap here. Then tap on app management. Let's tap here. Now find WhatsApp. Then we just need to tap on force stop. Tap on it. Now tap on storage usage. Let's tap here. Now tap on clear cache. After clearing the cache, you can see it is showing as 0. Then we will move forward to manage spaces. Let's tap on manage space. It is locked, so you will not be able to see. You can turn on disappearing messages, manage downloads. So you can do this as per your choice, and then you just go back. And the most important thing in this process is permissions. So you have to check permissions, right? Let's go to permissions option. Now you have to check if all the call logs, camera, contacts, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, phone, SMS, photo and videos, you have to tap on each and every option and you have to allow, right? So you can see it is showing as allow. So what happen is, if the location permission is not allowed, so you will get this process. You will get this problem while booking the ride. So you have to tap on allow only while using the app. So let's tap on it. Now after doing this process, you will not face this problem again. So I hope you got the solution. Let's go back, restart the phone, and here you are good to go. So whatever ride you want to book, now you will be able to do it. So let's tap on Uber. So whatever location I will choose, it will be work properly and you will be able to book the ride. So I hope this video is going to help you out. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.